Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. Today in this video we'll be discussing about what exactly performance obligation is as per IFRS 15, or you can say Ind AS 115. We'll exactly see what the definition stands for. Also we'll deep dive if there can be multiple performance obligations or not. If yes, how to identify them, how to segregate them, and how to record them into the books of account. We'll also take help of an example. So let's begin. So firstly, performance obligation simply means it's a promise in the contract. It's a promise into the contract, okay, to deliver the either goods or services or a combination of both as it has been agreed at the given point of time, as they have decided, for the prices at which it has been decided, okay, with particular specification as it has been decided into the contract. For example, you are asked to transfer 10 television sets, okay, of different sizes. The quantity is given, the brand name, the size, etc. are given, the specifications are given. You are required to deliver the 10 television sets. Now it is your performance obligation. Simply, it's your duty, it's your promise to transfer that particular goods, or you can say a bundle of goods as agreed. Okay, good. So performance obligation is simply a promise. Okay, now it can be either for one good or one service, or it can be for a bundle of goods and services. Okay, now these bundle of goods and services can be either distinct or not. Distinct means either it is separable or not. Okay, if we deep dive into this, whether it is distinct or not distinct. Okay, distinct simply means that it is capable of being separated. Okay, it is capable of being separated. Okay, and can be used, and can be used either independently, either independently or with available resources. Okay, it has the capacity to be separately identified, okay, separated from entire contract, okay, with from other goods and services. It has a capacity of being used either individually alone or along with, together with the available resources. Okay, for example, for example, car plus extended warranty. Car plus extended warranty. Now here it depends upon the buyer whether he wants to buy the extended warranty or not. But car can be sold without extended warranty. Car can be used. Car can work without extended warranty. Are we good? For example, the buyer buys the car and 2 years later he feels that okay, let's take up the extended warranty. He can then also buy the extended warranty as dependent upon the company. Are we good? So here we can say that, we can easily conclude that here car is performance obligation number 1, whereas extended warranty is performance obligation 2. They are separate, they are distinct. Okay. Next comes not distinct. This simply means they are dependent, they cannot be separated. Dependent and cannot be used independently. Okay. Dependent and cannot be separately used. Okay. Now, for example, Let's take an example. Here, I would say the example is car plus free 1 year maintenance. 1 year maintenance service. Now, it comes along with the car. Buyer does not have any choice, okay, or any option either to buy a 1 year maintenance or not. Okay, it comes along with the car. Also, the buyer cannot say that, okay, please leave the car, only give me free 1 year maintenance. No, this particular free 1 year maintenance cannot be used independently without the car. Are we good? It does not have any option. So here it is said that these both are only these both are only one pay. These both should be considered and recorded as one single performance obligation. They cannot be separated. Okay. The same video is also available in Hindi. Separate playlist is available. Also, separate courses for professionals and students are available in Hindi and English languages on the app. So do check out the description box and download the app. See you inside the chat. You can ask me whatever you feel like, any question related to any courses, any any other exam related questions. Okay, I'm there to help you throughout. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, stay tuned.